Something in the engine. I'm just grabbing a video and I'll throw it up on YouTube. Get some other people's opinions. Doesn't sound like it's knocking though. It sounds like it's I've spun a bearing or something.
Yeah.
And if I've spun a bearing, that's goodbye engine.
No, not
like
necessarily.
If you spin a bearing, you make it home before you throw a rod, hopefully. If not, you make a 5W30 stain on the road.
Make a what?
5W30 stain on the road.
5W30. If it was an electric motor, the diagnosis would be entirely different. There's one bearing. Well, two bearings.
Oop, that is not fast enough for second gear.
Yeah, something's rubbing.
Clutch in?
It's not
Clutch
the
out.
It's not the clutch. It's in the
No.
front. It's in the front of the motor where the timing belts are. And it could be.
Alright,